everyone, welcome to Nushin channel. I'm a senior UX designer at CIBC in Toronto, Canada, and in this video I want to share some of the tips and tricks that you need to take in order to get a UX UI job at financial industries such as like banks, like TD, CIBC, Scotiabank, Amex, or BMO, like every bank that you may know. My friends, it's a really good timing because most of the banks and the financial industry overall, they're looking to improve their user experience and customer experience for their products like online banking, mobile apps and websites, and they're looking for so many talented designers that could help them for improving their products. So it's a really great timing for you to get advantage of these times. So here are the steps that you need to take. Step number one is getting the right qualifications. One of the most common questions that most of you asked from me and like has been reached out to me and asked about was educational background and educational certificates. Like, Nushin, is Google certificate is enough for me to get a job? Or Nushin, do I need to get a BA? Or do I need to get a master? I wanted to make it clear that your portfolio can be the most important factor in your job application. Like, even most important than your educational background. You can have your education in another field of study, not completely unrelated, but it would be best if you can have like a design related education. So in order to be considered in a UX UI job, you don't have to have the like related education. A BA degree in graphic design or other related fields is usually required, but I would say like don't focus on that and don't like waste your money on getting into boot camps or getting like expensive courses, because they don't really guarantee you to get your job. Your portfolio should be the most important thing for you, and it has to have a high quality. Usually the master's courses are usually research based, or you need to work on a project on your side, and it's nothing that can help you to improve your design skills. Don't focus on getting your educational qualifications. The point that I want to make is that you need to have your portfolio with lots of visual design and high fidelity prototypes, and you need to just impress the recruiters with your visual design skills, because this is the thing that you need to have as your skill set for your financial industry related job. Don't overthink that. You just need to know the graphic design basics and design basics and UX, user experience methods and processes, and like design thinking. Just make yourself familiar with the base. Your portfolio is a reflection of your design skills, so take the time to make it as best as you can. Get advantage on social media platform. Just stay active on Twitter as well to just stay informed and inspired. Step number 4 is stay up to date with the financial industry and design trends. To be successful as a candidate for UX UI in banks, you need to stay up to date with the latest design trends and technologies. Just follow the design blogs, attend design conferences, and network with other designers on LinkedIn. It's important to understand the emerging trends in UX UI design and how they can be applied into like the banks or into mobile banking apps. For example, right now like we have Dynamic Island on iPhones, so you can have something like for your interview presentation. You can like prepare something for the Dynamic Island related to just getting like notification alerts for e-statements or for something related to banking notifications that we usually get. For example, getting verification codes, or signing in with Face ID, or getting notifications on balance alerts, and things like that. Step number 5 is applying for banking jobs. When you have the strong portfolio and experience and the right qualifications, it's time to start applying for your jobs. I would say look for the job openings on LinkedIn and just connect with them and message the recruiters and hiring managers on LinkedIn. I mean, don't go over your limits and don't bug them every time, and just don't show yourself unvaluable, but may also consider reaching out to them. And also attending the job fairs will get your chance of getting the interview much more. So that's it for today's video. I know it can be sometimes very complex for you to apply for the jobs, but don't worry about that. I applied for so many jobs. I applied for 100 and just I got 70 no's, and finally you can have 5 interviews, and out of those 5 you can get 2 offers. So don't get disappointed very early. This is a very normal process that everyone goes through, so it can be challenging, but at the end it's very rewarding experience. By following these steps, you can increase your chances to landing your desired job at financial industry in Toronto. So don't forget about your portfolio. Remember to stay focused on building that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I share so many videos about UX design, and also you can help supporting my channel. You can watch this video to just see a day in office that I worked at CIBC, and also this video if you want to see my first portfolio that got me hired at startup company. Thanks guys for watching this video. Bye.